You guys want to see what I ordered from Peacecraft Love? I do. I'm excited. Anna uses brown packing paper, y'all, so I know that as junk journalers, we can all reuse that, so it's a really good place to order from. Oh, and she included a gift. Thank you, Anna. This is so cute. I saw these when you were like including them in an order the other day, and I wasn't ready to order, and I was like, dang it, and then I got one anyway. I feel so lucky. Thank you. Oh, look at what I got, you guys. So this is so funny because I took my daughter to the mall, and I freaking hate the mall. Hate the mall. Oh, whoops. And so I sat in the parking lot and I shopped Peacecraft Love while my daughter went to Forever 21. And I feel like I won on that little excursion. Anyway, I was looking for some ephemera bits, like for putting on clusters and stuff, because I really don't have much for focal points in my stash, and I just needed to have some stuff, so I got all of these. Are so cool, and she just happened to have a bunch of them at a really good price. And if you guys don't know, Peacecraft Love has free shipping on any order over $15. Now that to me is a smoking good deal, because we all know how fast shipping adds up. Look at how cute these are. I'm really excited to get started using these. Yeah, and I am a Tim Holtz fan. I mean, I know that I don't even scratch the surface of using all of his products, because like I don't really do all the, I don't know, like I use the distress inks, but only for like edging and stuff, and I know that there is a huge depth of knowledge base with his products, but I'm not there. So thank you so much. Okay, here it is. Peacecraft Love. Y'all can follow her on Instagram, and she has a email list you can sign up for, and she's a super awesome small business to support. Highly recommend. These are really cute. I didn't even need words when I saw these on her site, and I was like, yep, I'm gonna have those too. And then I got some fun papers, which I hardly ever buy brand new papers, but I was just in a mood, so I'm really excited. I don't really have much for double-sided papers, and so yeah, these are gonna be so fun to play with. Thank you, Anna. I am so happy with my order, and I can't wait to get started using all this. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.